Right. My name is Linda. I sort of in charge of the garden here.
Yeah, we're out on the front a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. We started about, got to be about 4 years ago at least. Through time then, Linda started picking up pots and we went from bottles to pots. And that's how we got our Llwyncelyn garden. But we just keep on adding whenever
a few of the neighbours, when things get overgrown for their gardens or they decide to redo it, then they bring everything over here and then we'll add a few extra plants, etc.
We're hoping that's a cannabis plant, but we don't know for sure.